No, with our little triangle flap that we've just, or diamond shaped flap that we've just created, we're going to do a petal fold on it, but it's going to be a half petal fold. Look, what we've got here is we've got our diamond shape here. You can see it well. What we're going to do is we're going to take our diamond and we're just going to flip it over like that. And in here you can see it's kind of cut off. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and do a petal fold anyway. And conform on its own anyway. We open it up, and there we go. Here's our diamond shape. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull, well, actually we'll just wait. We'll just leave it like that. There's our diamond shape.